Boom, guys, this is the beginning of the YouTube video. We're finna do some prank calls on Noah's phone.
No, we're not.
Bro, please, bro. Just one. I'm gonna do a random number. All right. This is Jet Noel.
Let me see my phone.
This is phone number 1. We're just gonna call random phone
Bro,
number.
my phone's about to die. Let me see it.
Plug it up.
We're not calling.
All right, the next prank is gonna be me prank calling a daycare, and you guys will just see. Go ahead. All right, actually, hold up.
Wait, hold up. Nah.
Yes.
Oh.
Who is this?
I'm the center director.
What is this?
This is Best Brains. It's an enrichment center.
Yeah, I called this number earlier to introduce my son in this.
Yeah, sure. So the coming weekend, which is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, from morning 10 to.
But the thing is, he's kind of like not right in the head, so he'll like take his diaper off and smear shit all on the wall.
So you're saying he's still in diaper training?
No, he's past diaper training. He's like 14, but he just don't like to use the toilet. I still put him in diapers and he's still breastfed, but the thing is though, he just gets his poopy diapers and smear them all over the fucking wall like paint, like Bob Ross type shit. So the thing is though, I've took him to many therapists. I've took him to many doctors and everything like that, and they cannot figure it out. He is 14 years old, and he, like, right now he's in his room smearing shit on his wall as we speak.
Oh, how old is he, you said?
14.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, I've took him to many therapists, many doctors, psychiatrists, everything, and they say that he's just not right in the head and this and that, and like one night I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning and he was just beating his dick all over the fucking kitchen.
Okay.
And I can't do it no more. I really can't. And he'll just beat his dick all over the kitchen. He'll come in the living room. Like one night I was washing my hair in my shower, and I realized that the shampoo didn't feel right. It didn't smell right. And then later on I asked him, like, did you do anything to the shampoo? And he said, yeah, I ejaculated in it. So it's just crazy.
So maybe, so it's, give me 1 second. So yeah, we have math and English classes, so is that what you're looking for, or?
I don't know. Whatever you would think that could help this little fucker just get right in life, because I can't do it no more. I honestly can't. I thought about dropping him off at a fucking gas station, just letting him be, but that's illegal as fuck, and I can't do that. So at the end of the day, I'm a good parent. You know, I got 5 other kids that are perfectly. They're out of college and everything. They're fucking doctors, and one of them drives a helicopter, one of them's a NASCAR driver, one of them's some fucking everything like that. But right now, I'm like stuck as shit, you know, because this motherfucker right here won't stop ejaculating all over the motherfucking house, and I just don't know what the fuck to do. Like, I'm a good parent. Like, you can't think, oh, he's just not a good parent.
Yeah. So yeah, maybe teachers can't help too. So
You guys can help with my son's ejaculation problem?
yeah, we have like proper teachers and classes and all of that. So yeah, I'm not sure. So
Yeah, well, he just won't stop jacking off all over the house, and I was just wondering if you could help me with that.
no, sorry, we can't help with that.
But yeah, he's right here. Hold up, I'll let you speak to him. Say, Billy, come here, Billy. Hello.
Thanks.
Yeah, hold on. Here's Billy. Dang, dude.
She hung up.
Who was that? Hey, John, we're on the way on the highway. We got a toolbox.
Yeah, the wrong person.
No, we're on the way with a toolbox right now. We got 2x4 and 4x4. We're on the way right now with a toolbox.
You're not the wrong person. I don't know.
No, we're on the way right now with a 2x4 and a toolbox. We're on the way to get your truck out the fucking ditch, bro. We don't got the wrong number.
I'm in my motherfucking room. I ain't got no truck.
No, you're not. You got a truck, you're on the fucking highway. You just call me saying, hey, let me get a 2x4 and a fucking toolbox. We're on the way to get your truck out the fucking ditch. What the fuck you talking about?
You're a fucking geek, bud.
What the fuck you mean I'm fucking geek? We're on the fucking way right now.
Motherfucking my truck. I ain't even got a motherfucking truck tied in the ditch.
Bro, what the fuck you talking about, bro? You just fucking call me saying, hey, we got 2x4. I need a fucking toolbox to get in the fucking ditch, bro. What the fuck you talking about?
Motherfucker, I ain't in no motherfucking ditch. I'm in my motherfucking room.
You're not in your motherfucking room.
You want me to fucking call you and show you?
FaceTime me.
Alright. Motherfucker, I'm in my motherfucking room.
My fault, fam. I'm just boom, boys. I can't be too loud, but we playing pool on fire. So I'm gonna whoop their ass. Bet. Boys, next day, we went to a rodeo last night. It was pretty fun. The last clip you guys are gonna see is us playing pool. So it's been like a whole 2 days.
We may go play pool again tonight, in all honesty, because...
And I can get some better footage. But right now, we're gonna be fucking up the pool there. Filming, I didn't mean to, but yep. This is the Aftermax of 2 weeks ago. You can see the front's bending a little bit, but it's alright. Fuck it. Fuck it.
It's good for it.
Yeah, put that bitch up, and then we should get some good clips. When Noel get here, we should get some really good clips. But for now, we're just gonna run it up. Guys, random man, booty eater, aka boot eater, behind the camera. He's got some of these trails and shit. I'm gonna get way better clips when Noel gets here. I just need a fucking tripod. I forgot my tripod at home, dude, so. But little Sunday shenanigans. But, yeah, dude, life. You know, like 1 minute you're playing VR, next minute you're on a folder, and next minute you're sleeping. You know, like it's just you live life. All you gotta do is just live life, man. That's it. So I'm gonna get better clips when Noah gets here. And yeah, bro. Peace out. Just stuck. I mean, he really just fucking that bitch.
See what that four-wheel drive do.
get there, you get there. You know, like it's just all about getting there. You know.
I didn't even see that.
I'm just getting into the Willie community, guys. So just bear with me. I wanted to take a tour. That's what my cousin Michi said. I had a baby before I was found. He walking that bit.
Oh, he popped out with a Taurus. This not 2023.
Still going on that bit on fire.
On his block, on my block, that boy's a cookie.
Alright, guys. I swear to God, no. Film, bro. Is it going? We're out here, boys. Bring your bird. Listen, come here. We'll probably over here. This right here is where the money. Up here, bitch. Gosh damn, bro. Like, can we just give an award to the guy behind the camera for the most dumbest, stupidest fucking cameraman in the fucking
I think I'm a great cameraman.
I think he's just like walking over.
Slow walk.
Just a little walk. Take it for a little walk.
Took that bit for a stroll.
Let me try. So I'm gonna give it a little try. Y'all already see my last attempt, so I'm not really a good wheelie guy. I just got a wheelie community. So I'm gonna give it a little test.
Be careful, it is drier.
I do. I'm gonna get production on this, bro. Y'all make that shit look easy. I can't do that.
Hold up, I gotta give him a little more straight that
You hold that
shit.
bitch
If he
up.
goes up more, he could get it,
Yeah.
and then it'll hit the ground immediately. Go straight to the woods.
Is that all y'all do? Oh
Yeah.
shit.
All back there.
Really quickly, really quickly.
I can't.
Oh, really quickly. I ain't gonna drive off the I can't do it in a sitting
Damn.
He gets that bitch up.
Yeah. You got a little bit more weight on you, that's why.
Yeah. I'm mostly 180, pure lean muscle. So
Fall.
you gotta try it, bro.
I don't think I can.
Bro, you can, bro. You can do it really easy. Bro, stop being a pussy, man. No one's gonna try it.
I don't know how to do it.
Bro, it's easy. You stand, bro. If you flip it, it's straight, bro. I get on camera.
No, it's not.
Sean, are you gonna be mad if he flips it while doing a wheelie?
You can't flip it while doing it.
You can't. It's open field, bro.
Over the bars.
Nah, I'm gonna flip the fuck out of it.
It
Nah.
don't flip. Whenever it goes up, wait for the bottom to touch the ground and then like let off the gas.
It's easy, bro.
You'll find the control of it real quick. You'll see.
Bro.
He has a perfect body like this.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Bounce it.
Noel. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, he just has to hold it now.
See?
I'm gonna do it one more time, that's it.
No, you're gonna do it at least. You're gonna do it till you fucking get it.
Like taps it.
Bro, you gotta hold it.
He taps it.
Bro, you're doing this, Noel. You gotta hold it.
Hold it.
Nigga, you let go.
Keep letting it go, stupid bitch.
I know. Getting that, huh? You finger fucking that bitch. Do that shit again. Do that shit exactly what you did. Let me get that hoe. Let me get it. He rode that bitch. Fuck.
That shit hurt the fuck. I got a big bump on my leg.
Bro, that should be hurting, but you gotta man up and just.
Yeah, how he immediately ended that fucking little clip right there as soon as I started getting on this, not even on his ass, bro. Just why is he on my fucking meat, just slobbing on my shit? You know?
Can you feel me now?
Nah.
No, feel me.
Go ahead, bro. What you got to say?
Listen, I'll be damned if a little boy like him, tell me who the fuck I'm doing. I'm not even on the fuck his meat, bro.
Yeah. All right, but dog, here's your vlog. No, I was watching.
You know he was not. You got the nerve to say I was watching. What? I mean, he really just like fucking that bitch. Get the fuck out the fucking frame.
Get the fuck out of the frame. It's please me, dog.
Please, I'm not saying please to your bitch ass. Yeah, look, just like that. Yeah, hit that bitch right here. Do it right here. Bro, you're not doing it right. It's dry now. You can't do donuts no more. It's dry. That's what we came out here to do wheelies. Y'all, this is for my 20 subscribers.
Hey, Randall.
If it's water, we gon' win. Yeah.
Is he good?
Yeah, you got it.
Damn, dude, that would have been funny as shit. That nigga was just rolling down to fuck him now.
Get her done. We about to go on. Literally. Yeah, good. Turn it around and put it. Start putting it up that way.
Keep diving in that ocean. That was more of a joke.
What'd you say, Twin? Say it one more time, bro. What'd you say, diving in that ocean, Twin? Really? That's what you said? Yeah. I can't take your ass. I really can't take a dumb ass seriously. Dude, that side of the fuck. Boys. Cheers. Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh shit! Ah, fuck! Fucking briars! Oh my god! Fucking big. Ow! Oh yeah. Damn! Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh shit! Bro, jump up and down the hill. God.
Starting to die. Get up, fuckhead.
We getting money out here, boys. We getting money.
We getting active down here.
This is Sunday Shenanigans on 5. Oh shit.
Come on.
He gonna put the fuck out there, bitch ass.
We getting money out here, boys. We getting money.
We getting active down here.
This is Sunday Shenanigans on 5. Oh shit.
Come on.
Oh shit. I put this on 5. My chain hit me my fucking tooth. Oh shit.
God.
And Mimi's yard is crazy, oh wow. Go back to his house. Go back to his house. Oh shit. This like some GTA shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit! No, oh my God, we in the winter. We in the winter on 5. We don't fuck around with it because of this shit. Bro, I'm trying to hold this shit straight. Kill boy, kill boy.
Fuck you, nigga.
Kia boy, Kia. So guys, when I'm just, yeah, let's go. Let's put this up. Oh shit, this is in fucking reverse. Let's switch out. No, I mean right now. He gonna put the fuck out that bitch ass. Good thing, man. Fuck out of here, nigga. What you talking about? What you talking about? Nigga, we can do what the fuck we want. Oh shit. Get the black. Random. Oh shit. Positive.
Look at the truck. With no Ricky. We in your bushes. Don't come outside, bro. Get up close, your soul. You know we took it. A bullet on his block. On my block, that boy's a ticket. We gon' fuck her. Over here, she look, you know she took it.
Don't pop them bitches.
I've been a threat, don't give me peace. I get to the check, I don't give no fucks about no beat. I'm in it for